There's our Ozzy. Oh. A few seconds ago, he was screaming like heck. I don't know what he was looking at. He scared him half to death. I don't know what it was. No? No! No! Hi! Pretty bird. No. No. Okay. Ozzy? What are you doing? Come. Hey, don't lick me. Hey, quit. Let go of him. Let go of him. He doesn't want you. See, he's trying to bite you.
Let's keep him on the totem pole. Sort of thing.
No. Mwah. Put you in your feet, it's nasty. Oh, there you have it. Bird's life.
He's showing. He's like, oh, whoa.
He's like, oh. Ozzy, turn around. Up. Oh, my knees. Gary, he's biting you. Seriously. Don't put him on Mom's car. He could scratch it up. Mom told you not to. Take it off.
It's a bird.
He ain't gonna let go. Come here. Is your footsie stuck? There you go. Look at her. Pretty bird. Hi. Hello.
I have the video up.
Okay. The camera's on the screen. Come on, Ozzy, you can do it. Come up. Oh, God. Hold on. Hi. Let go. He doesn't want
He's
you.
trying to step up on mom. He's trying to step up.
Quit. He doesn't want you doing that.
Time for the birdie.
Say bye, Ozzy. Say bye. We gotta learn how to learn how to do that. Mwah.